At the top of the editor, you'll see this banner that shows you can connect your domain. That will take you to where you can choose and connect your custom domain. You can also get to the same spot through the dashboard. So in the top left, go to Dashboard, and you should see that item in your checklist or right here at the top. On this screen, we don't have an existing domain that we want to connect. We want a new one, so click Upgrade. And then when you're choosing a plan, I'd recommend the Lite plan for most beginners. It covers everything you need to get started, and there's a 14-day money-back guarantee on all premium plans. When you're ready, click here to select your plan. Then choose one of the yearly option plans to include that free custom domain. Then click Continue to checkout. Fill out all your order details, and then, before you submit purchase, make sure to enter promo code TAKE10. Apply it for 10% off. Then when you're ready, submit purchase. The next screen will show you that you have the free domain voucher, and you can search for a domain. If you're able to use your brand and get a .com, that's what I would recommend. If it's not available, you may need to try a few different combinations. When you find a domain that you'd like, click Get It. If you register for more than 1 year, you can save some money, but if you select 1 year, your voucher will apply to make your total 0. Click Continue. Enter your contact info that you want for the domain registration, and then click Continue again. Then you'll be shown some options for privacy and security, so that your personal information can remain more private. This is relatively affordable and can really minimize the number of junk emails that you receive. Once more, click Continue. Finally, submit your purchase. And that takes care of your custom domain. Just note that it can take a while before your website is live at the domain that you just purchased. I'll close a few tabs so that we get back to our dashboard. Back on your dashboard, the last thing I want to call out is that you'll need to complete your email verification so that you continue to have access to your custom domain. If you haven't already done this, go to your email inbox, find the email from Wix with a subject line that looks like this, scroll down, and click here to verify. Then, just verify your info. You can close this tab and your email. Up here, you can manage the domain. And it's only been a few minutes since I purchased this domain, but it looks like it's live now.